What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to Car Salon with your boy Amir. In today's DIY video, I have a project I had to do on my 2021 Mazda CX-30, and I had to change a trim piece that was damaged due to someone smudging my bumper. So I'm gonna show you everything I did so far, because I had to figure out how to remove the bumper on my own and how to basically take off everything that I can just to get to this trim piece. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. As you can see, the state of the car is like this. The bumper has been removed, and in order to do so, you need to remove clips that are on the side over here. There's clips here, there's clips here, here. You need a pry tool, something like this, or a trim tool, something like this, or something like this. And this is the old piece that was damaged right here. You can see the area of the damage, and it was popped out. And this piece comes off as well, which is the top piece of the vehicle. It's pretty simple. I mean, I didn't really take much to do this. It only took me about an hour to get to this point, but it's pretty simple, and putting everything back is going to be even simpler. But this is the new chrome piece, as you can tell, on the right, or on the driver's side left, and then this is the old one, which is still in good condition. So I took off the bumper, but I didn't detach any harnesses or anything, because it's kind of difficult to remove the harness for some reason. But I left it right there. So all I'm gonna do is pop on the trim piece, and it has all these screws that are on this inside. So if you have a CX-30 and you have damage to your trim piece, or you want to change it out for black, or you want to do a chrome delete, you must remove all these screws over here, over here, over here. All right, so as you can see, the car is in this state. I'm gonna put everything back together again, and with the trim piece, and then I'll show you how to put the bumper back on. Okay, be right back. As you can see, all of the screws are back together. You just screw them in. All of these screws, it's very impossible to get without removing the bumper. And this last screw right here. Alright, time to install the bumper and replace the bumper back on and bolt everything up, and that's it. Call it a day, and that's your DIY, and I'll show you the finished product. As you can see, the bumper is back on, and this is the new trim piece, and this is the old one, as in the one that was on the car already. So now it looks good, and now time to bolt everything up, especially this separate piece that's on the top by the hood. This is a separate trim piece right here. Okay, so I'm underneath the car, and I'm bolting up the 6 bolts that you have to bolt, that you have to torque down or remove basically before you take off the bumper. So it's these 6. It's 1, this one right here 2, this one right here 3, this one right here 4, this one right here, if you see it, 5, and this one, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, that's right here on this side, 6. So you have to torque those down. There's a panel here that comes off, which is that panel right there, undercarriage panel, and this undercarriage panel as well attaches to it. So bolt everything down, and once everything's done, I'll show you, and that's it. The car is complete. Just like that, everything is buttoned up. sealed up nice and tight, and the project is over. All right, and just like that, the project is over. This DIY is complete. If you haven't considered doing so already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and consider subscribing if you're new. I'll have more videos to come in the next episode. If I don't see you now, I'll see you on the next episode. Peace out, everybody.